I'm Virginia McGathey here on the floor at the CME Group reporting on the livestock market. Today, cattle's firmed up. Those beef exports are also up, certainly from a year ago. And however, the deferred months were steady, so they didn't really rally along. As we got later into the day, the market started to uptick a little bit, and it's trying to push through and push higher, and even taking the feeders along with it. And believe me, they need it. But again, we wait to the end of the week to find any kind of cash cattle trade to give us some direction and perhaps some price stability. So we're still waiting on that. The feeders fell even more today, which was kind of a big surprise. But these rising corn prices are definitely going to be affecting the market, and we know that feed prices will be going up, and it's hurting that long-term outlook for the industry. So it has feeders really looking further ahead, and the market is, really falling through some of these technical numbers. And then we got a little bit more follow-through selling, and that really pushed it much lower, and certainly diverging from where the live cattle markets are. But the support levels are, not even, are in the area that are trying to hold up. And with the live cattle moving up, we started to see some of the feeders start to move up as well. And we know that U.S.-Japan trade agreement is right on the horizon, and that should really be good for the beef complex all the way across the board, but not much trade, and that's why we're kind of bouncing around here. But the feeders are a little bit low overall. Now, the hogs were rising as well. Those traders just increased their long positions. Demand for wholesale pork is up and very strong, but so far, that's what's holding the market up. But without any tariff resolutions, it's really difficult to see further follow through on this rally. That being said, the market still looks very strong, and it's still churning like a well-oiled machine. Some of the traders I spoke to talk about that it's very possible that there's a correction on the horizon, but we haven't shown any weakness as of yet. But the market has been moving up. But if any significant correction comes in, it's not really going to go back to anywhere near the lows that we really were experiencing about 8 weeks ago. So that's holding the market up as much as it is. So looking kind of strong today. That's all from the floor at the CME Group here in Chicago. I'm Virginia McGathey.